Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add serial number in MS Word. Make sure adding serial number in Microsoft Word can be done through several methods depending on whether you want a simple vertical list or numbers inside a table or more automated pro approach. For the advanced user who want the total control or need to number items that are not in a standard list, you can use a field code that is useful for complex document layout. So first method is you need to press the Ctrl plus F9 on your keyboard. This will create a pair of curly brackets, and inside the brackets you need to type SEQNUM. It should be like this one. And now press F9 to update the field. It will turn into the number 1. So copy and paste that one number whenever you need the next number. If the numbers don't update automatically, select the text or press Ctrl A plus F9 all together and then repeat the process similar again. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.